How to save a design as a reusable template in Canva. Whether you're working solo, with a team, or sharing designs with others, this quick guide will show you how to do it effortlessly. Before turning any project into a template, make sure your design is complete. Lock any elements you don't want others to accidentally change, like headers, logos, or branding, by selecting the element, right-clicking, and choosing Lock. This ensures that your essential design pieces stay intact. Once your design is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then, choose More to reveal additional options, and click on Template Link or Publish as Template. You can then select where you'd like to save the template, such as a Team Templates folder or any custom folder you manage. After publishing, your design will be marked as a brand template in the Projects tab. Now it's time to share it. Just copy the template link and send it to your team or collaborators. When they open the link, they'll be prompted to use the template, automatically creating their own editable version without altering your original design. No worries, free users can still share designs as templates. Just click Share, go to More, and select Template Link. Anyone with this link can then create their own version of your design. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can manually make a copy of the design each time you want to reuse it. To keep things easy to find and manage, save your templates in dedicated folders. Canva allows you to create new folders or use existing ones when saving your template, making your design library much more accessible over time.